What if I told you Ethereum's victory is Bitcoin's loss? Quite a provocative thought, isn't it? Today, we're embarking on an intriguing journey through the timeline of events that culminated in Ethereum's rise to glory. We'll delve into how this victory has not only affected Bitcoin, but also sent ripples through the wider crypto world. So, are you ready to explore the intricate dynamics of this high-stakes crypto game? Intrigued? Stay tuned to find out more. To start, we need to journey back to 2015, the birth year of Ethereum. Imagine a world where digital money is not only a means of exchange, but also a platform for creating and executing smart contracts and decentralized applications. That's the world Ethereum introduced. While Bitcoin had already paved the way for cryptocurrencies, Ethereum brought a new dimension to the crypto world with its innovative blockchain technology. The Ethereum blockchain, unlike its predecessor, was designed to do more than just record transactions. It was built to accommodate computer programs known as smart contracts. These self-executing contracts, with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code, opened up a new realm of possibilities for blockchain technology. But Ethereum didn't stop there. It also introduced the concept of decentralized applications, or dApps. These are applications that run on a P2P network of computers rather than a single computer. Unlike traditional apps, they are not controlled by a single authority, making them immune to censorship. Ethereum's capability to support these smart contracts and dApps set it apart from Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It wasn't just a digital currency, it was a whole ecosystem where developers could build decentralized applications. These unique selling points of Ethereum were not just theoretical advantages. They were practical, tangible benefits that people could see and use. And that's how, with these features, Ethereum quickly established itself as a major player in the crypto world. The stage was set for a showdown between Ethereum and Bitcoin. It was a race for dominance, a clash of titans, a fierce competition that had the entire crypto world on the edge of their seats. Ethereum and Bitcoin, two powerhouses in the realm of cryptocurrencies, were vying for the top spot, each with its unique philosophy and approach to reshaping the financial landscape. On one side, we had Bitcoin, the original, the pioneer. Born out of the financial crisis of 2008, Bitcoin sought to provide an alternative to traditional banking systems. Its philosophy was simple: a decentralized digital currency that enabled peer-to-peer transactions, bypassing the need for intermediaries. It was about financial independence, about wresting control from centralized institutions and placing it back in the hands of individuals. On the other side, there was Ethereum, the innovative upstart. While Bitcoin focused primarily on transactions, Ethereum had a broader vision. It introduced the concept of smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. It was not just about currency, it was about decentralizing the entire internet. Ethereum sought to create a world where applications could run without any chance of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. The competition was fierce. Each had its loyal followers, its ardent supporters who believed in their chosen cryptocurrency's potential to revolutionize the world. But this competition was not destructive. Quite the opposite. It fueled innovation, spurred growth, and inspired a wave of new cryptocurrencies, each bringing something unique to the table. Ethereum and Bitcoin were not just rivals, they were catalysts, setting the pace for the crypto world, pushing boundaries, and continually raising the bar. They competed, yes, but in doing so, they complemented each other, each highlighting the other's strengths and weaknesses, each challenging the other to do better, to be better. The rivalry between Ethereum and Bitcoin brought innovation and excitement to the crypto world. It was a race, a battle, a contest, but above all, it was a journey. A journey towards a future where financial systems are decentralized, transparent, and in the hands of the people. In 2021, something happened that would change the trajectory of both Ethereum and Bitcoin. That year, the financial world saw the approval of the first Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, a milestone that had been eagerly anticipated by the crypto community for years. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF was a monumental event, and its effects were immediately noticeable. Following the announcement, Bitcoin's price surged dramatically, a clear sign of the market's enthusiasm and acceptance. Suddenly, it wasn't just the crypto diehards who were paying attention. Mainstream investors started to take notice too. But the story doesn't end there. While Bitcoin was certainly basking in the spotlight, another star was quietly rising. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, also started to see a significant increase in its price. Now, why would that be? After all, it was Bitcoin that got the ETF, not Ethereum. The answer lies in Ethereum's unique features. Unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily seen as digital gold, Ethereum offers a platform for decentralized applications. This means that developers can build and run their own applications on Ethereum's blockchain, opening up a world of possibilities that goes far beyond just sending and receiving money. As investors became more educated about the crypto market, many realized that Ethereum's potential was immense. And so the Bitcoin ETF approval, while primarily boosting Bitcoin's price, also had a ripple effect on Ethereum, leading to a surge in its price as well. In essence, the Bitcoin ETF approval didn't just benefit Bitcoin, it brought legitimacy to the entire crypto market and highlighted the potential that other cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, could offer. It was a clear signal that cryptocurrencies were here to stay and that they could no longer be ignored by the traditional financial world. This event marked a turning point in the Ethereum versus Bitcoin rivalry. It was a catalyst that sparked a renewed interest in both cryptocurrencies, and a clear testament to the growing acceptance and understanding of the unique features and potential that they hold. So, what does Ethereum's victory mean for the wider crypto world? Well, it's a game changer for sure. Ethereum's triumph has sparked a renewed interest in other altcoins, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's not just about Bitcoin anymore. The crypto stage has been diversified, with more players entering the scene. This victory is a catalyst, prompting new innovations and ideas within the blockchain space. So, in essence, Ethereum's victory has opened up a world of possibilities for the crypto world. We've seen how Ethereum's victory has shaped the crypto world. But what do you think? Do you agree with the points we've made? Is Ethereum's ascendancy truly Bitcoin's loss? Or is there room for both in this vast digital realm? We'd love to hear your insights, whether you're a crypto veteran or just starting your journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, keep exploring the crypto world.